Get me out of here. I know you're there, Comedy. Comedy, I know you're listening to me right now. Get me out. If you have no idea what's going on, I'm stuck in light containment zone. Zero. Can I die here? Can I die here? Can I die here? Can I see the decontent? Aww. Oh, come on. Oh my god. That's just teasing me. That's literally just teasing me. Stop. Stop. I will help you. I will help you. Just stop. If you step one more time, I'm gonna dodge you again. Go back. Go.
Go.
He did that by accident. I know he did that by accident. I know.
They're not friendly. They're not friendly. This one's right here.
Oh, this guy's dead.
Facility powered system now operational.
Please.